Hey guys, welcome back to another of my video, and in this video we will be going through the topic on geometry from the 2003 to the 2007 past year PSLE mathematics paper question series. So without any further ado, let's begin. The figure below shows a parallelogram ABCD and a triangle DEF. Find angle EFD, which is this angle over here. Okay, so let's focus on ABCD first. ABCD can be divided into two triangles as shown in the figure, and the first one would be triangle DBC. So our main focus would be this triangle. So all of you would know that all of you would know of this basic property that the sum of all angles in a triangle, the sum of all angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So in triangle DCB, we need to find what angle CBD is, right? So angle CBD would simply be 180 degrees minus 83 degrees minus 40 degrees, which gives us 180 minus 57 degrees. So angle CBD is 57 degrees. And another property that of straight lines that you would be knowing is that if we have two parallel lines and a third line which intersects through these two lines, for example you have this line and this line, both are parallel, and you have a third line which intersects these two lines at an angle like this, then this angle over here would be the same as this angle over here. So similarly in this case, if I this is 57 degrees, yeah, so line CB is parallel to line DA, and we have this third line DB intersecting these two lines at a point. So it means angle CBD would be equal to angle BDA, and this property is known as the alternate angle theorem, or you would commonly have heard it as the Z angle. So this would mean that angle BDA is 57 degrees. And now another property of straight lines we have is if you have two straight lines which intersect at any point, let's say line AB and CD intersect at point E, then angle AEC would be the same as angle DEB, and angle BEC, I'll use a different color, angle BEC would be the same as angle DEA. So this is known as the vertically opposite angles. These angles are known as vertically opposite angles. So similarly in this case we have two straight lines. If I erase these markings, we have two straight lines. The first one is ADE and the second one is FDB, and both these lines intersect at point D. So this means that angle ADB would be the same as angle FDE as a vertically opposite. So this means that angle FDE would be 57 degrees as well. And now that we have found 2 out of 3 angles inside triangle, okay, now that we have found 2 out of 3 angles inside triangle FDE, we can simply find the third one through this through this concept over here. So inside triangle FDE we have angle DFE plus angle FED plus angle EDF. which is 180 degrees. So angle DFE plus angle FET, which is 50 degrees, plus angle EDF, which is 57 degrees, gives us 180 degrees. So this simply means that angle DFE is equals to 180 degrees minus 107 degrees, which would be 73 degrees. So angle DFE, this angle over here, would be 73 degrees. So that's what we wanted to find, angle EFD, sorry, and there we have it. Angle EFD is equals to 73 degrees. AB and CD are straight lines. Find angle Y in the figure shown. Okay, this is a pretty simple question. It's quite straightforward. We know that there are two lines, AB and CD, and both are straight. So okay, let's focus on line CD first, this line over here. Now this particular point, the point of intersection between AB and CD, let's label that as let's say F, just for simplicity, and this particular point over here, let's label that as E. Okay, so we know that for angles at a point on a straight line, the sum of angles is 180 degrees, right? For example, if I have a straight line and then I have two lines that meet at a particular point like this, then the sum of this first angle plus this second angle plus this third angle would be equal to 180 degrees. Correct? Now CD is a straight line with angle CFE as 125 degrees, and we know that angle CFE plus angle EFD would give us 180 degrees, which means that we have angle EFD as 180 degrees, sorry, 125 degrees for angle CFE, plus angle EFD would be 180 degrees, which means that angle EFD would be 55 degrees. Since we have 180 minus 125, I'll just write that down. We have 180 degrees minus 125 degrees, which would give us 55 degrees. So this angle over here, angle EFD, would be 55 degrees. Now I'll just erase this. Now we have to look at line AB, the straight line AB. Now there's another property that all of you would be aware of, that if you have two straight lines intersecting at a certain point, this angle over here would be equal to this angle, and this angle would be equal to this angle. These are known as vertically opposite angles, right? Okay, so we need to find angle Y. If you observe closely, angle Y, okay, CD and AB intersect at point F, and angle Y is equals to angle AFD. This is equals to angle Y is equal to angle AFD, right? Because they're vertically opposite. Now, what is angle AFD? Angle AFD, if you observe closely, it's just a sum of angle A, this is F. It is just a sum of angle AFE, this angle, plus angle EFD. Correct? This angle over here plus this angle over here. It's getting a bit messy, so I'll just erase this. Right, so now angle AFD would be equal to angle AFE plus angle EFD. Now angle AFE is given is 90 degrees. I have covered it by mistake. Angle AFE, this point is F. Angle angle AFE is 90 degrees. I don't know if you can see it, but it's given, it's the right angle. So this is 90 degrees plus angle EFD, which is found out in the previous part, like above over here, which is 55 degrees. 55 degrees plus 90 degrees would give us 145 degrees, which means that this whole angle AFD is equals to 90 degrees plus 55 degrees, which is 145 degrees. And I just told you that angle AFD is equals to angle Y, since they're vertically opposite. So angle Y in this case would be 145 degrees. So your answer is 4. So those were the 2 questions for this video. If you guys found them helpful, do click on the subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Similar to the 2 questions we went through in this video, there was another question on geometry which came out in my year, and even though the question was simple, it was pretty tricky for some students. So do stay tuned for my next video on geometry to find out more, and do help me achieve my goal of helping as many people as possible by sharing these videos to other people you know, so that even they can benefit. Moreover, if you have any doubts or any questions, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below, and I will definitely answer them. So do stay tuned for my next video. Until then, goodbye.